It's my hope that you're doing well. Welcome to this lesson. I am Janet, and in this lesson, you're going to learn about proverbs. A proverb is a short metaphorical statement that gives advice that educates or warns. For example, make hay when the sun shines, slow but sure wins the race, a rolling stone gathers no moss. Let us now look at the features of proverbs. One, they use figurative language. That is, proverbs have a surface and a hidden meaning. They are brief and easy to memorize. Proverbs use a few words to communicate many ideas, and they have two parts. For example, a proverb like, when the going gets tough, the tough get going. We have here the first part, when the going gets tough is our first part, and now we call this first part a proposition. And the tough gets going is our second part, what we call the completion. Now, images used in proverbs are drawn from the immediate environment of the communities they represent, and they make use of stylistic devices such as a personification, where actions like a proverb like actions speak louder than words. In this proverb, actions cannot speak, and so there is kind of personification. The actions have been personified or given features of human, given human characters to do some work, to do some things. Like in this part, actions have been enabled to speak. That is personification. And B, use of sound or mnemonic features. Those features include one, assonance. And we all know that assonance is the repetition of vowel sounds in nearby words, or similarity in sound between two syllables that are close together, created by the same vowels. For example, when we talk about the word meat and bean, these syllables here, they are close together, and so that sound, that repetition of these vowel sounds, that is what we call assonance. Another mnemonic device is alliteration, and alliteration is the repetition of the first consonant sound at the beginning of closely connected words. For example, a proverb, he who laughs last laughs longest. In this proverb, we have seen that there is repetition of this first consonant L in those words that are closely connected or closely following each other. And we have consonants, which is the repetition of the final consonant sound. A proverb like, his foot left a print on the mat. This final consonant here, T, has been repeated, thus creating consonants. We have hyperbole. Now, a figure of speech that makes someone or something sound bigger or better than they are. That is what we call hyperbole. Like you say, money makes the world go round. Now there is hyperbole in this proverb. And we have parallelism. It is use of elements in sentences that are grammatically similar. For example, you win some, you lose some. There is parallelism between the first part and the second part, because these elements, the two of them, are grammatically similar. And we also have ellipsis, the fact of words being left out of a sentence, but the sentence can still be understood. In short, it is leaving out some words and we can still understand the sentence. For example, penny wise, pound foolish. You can see that we have some dots left, and that is what we call ellipsis. Now, we look at the functions of proverbs. they are used for education. Now, in this wide function, proverbs caution, they advise, they admonish, and they challenge. That is education. And they are used to extol good or discourage ill behavior. They are also used to color conversation. They are used to console, to aptly open, close, or summarize communication, to portray a moral lesson more deeply and conveniently. Now we have a task here. We can call it a task, or we look at a question here. Don't whistle until you are out of the wood. Which genre of oral literature has been used above? Of course, this is a proverb. Describe the situation in which the above can be applied. It can be used to warn, to advise, can also be used to caution a person to not express premature elation at having escaped a danger or solved a difficulty. Now, provide another example of the genre with a similar meaning. We can say, do not count your chicks before they are hatched. That is it on this lesson about Proverbs. And I hope that this lesson will help you improve on your English. If you find this video helpful, please share this video, and also do not forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next lesson.